You guys want to sing? You guys are doing great. All right, this song is for, my kryptonite is here today. She's there. I want to say I love her. And I'm going to dedicate this song to her, okay? She's around there somewhere. Although I'm not going to say who she is because I know you guys are all beautiful today. I don't want her to take another person rather than me because I'm not that pretty. Anyway, I just want to say you guys have a great time. One more song, all right? Listen, I just can't handle it this day. Shakes all over like a jellyfish, I kinda like it. Listen, it cries and a great almighty sings. It just take a lot right on the motorbike until they're ready. There goes my baby. She knows how to rock and roll. She got me crazy. She gave me hardcore fever, listening to cold, cold sweat. Gotta be cool, relax, get up, get all my tracks to the backseat. It just take off right off the motorbike until they're ready. These are the thing on. Put your all hands in the air. I gotta be cool, relax, get hip now, get all my tracks to the backseat. Each out, I take one right off the motorbike until they're ready. Crazy little thing along. This ain't all love. I just can't handle it. This ain't all love. Shakes all over like a jellyfish. I kinda like it. Crazy little thing on. Crazy little thing on. Crazy little thing on. I'm the crazy little thing on. You're beautiful. Rock on. Thank God.